my God! English Speaking Kids!
Let's learn about 100 verbs with I wow. I feed the birds, I dance, I do homework, I go for a walk, I listen to music and other let's explore.
I feed the birds. I feed the birds. I chat with my friends. I chat with my friends. I do my homework. I do my homework. I check my social media accounts. I check my social media accounts. I do experiments. I do experiments. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I go swimming. I go swimming. I dance. I dance. I go camping. I go camping. I go fishing. I go fishing. I go home. I go home. I do crosswords. I do crosswords. I go shopping. I go shopping. I go skateboarding. I go skateboarding. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I do jigsaw puzzles. I do jigsaw puzzles. I do cartwheels. I do cartwheels. I draw. I draw. I do yoga. I do yoga. I go skiing. I go skiing. I climb mountains. I climb mountains. I go hiking. I go hiking. I get my nails done. I get my nails done. I go to a museum. I go to a museum. I go scuba diving. I go scuba diving. I fly a kite. I fly a kite. I play on a swing. I play on a swing. I ride a horse. I ride a horse. I play the piano. I play the piano. I play video games. I play video games. I play Scrabble. I play Scrabble. I play tennis. I play tennis. I play the guitar. I play the guitar. I play a musical instrument. I play a musical instrument. I play basketball. I play basketball. I play hopscotch. I play hopscotch. I play cricket. I play cricket. I play soccer. I play soccer. I play chess. I play chess. I play cards. I play cards. I knit. I knit. I play board games. I play board games. I learn a language. I learn a language. I paint. I paint. I look at the stars. I look at the stars. I play with my dog. I play with my dog. I juggle. I juggle. I play darts. I play darts. I listen to music. I listen to music. I invent things. I invent things. I have lunch. I have lunch. I go to the movies. I go to the movies. I go to school. I go to school. I go to the cinema. I go to the cinema. I have a classes. I have a classes. I go to the zoo. I go to the zoo. I get a massage. I get a massage. I go 10-pin bowling. I go 10-pin bowling. I go to the library. I go to the library. I go to a cafe. I go to a cafe. I relax in a bathtub. I relax in a bathtub. I play with my toys. I play with my toys. I read magazines. I read magazines. I play football. I play football. I play in a band. I play in a band. I play the trumpet. I play the trumpet. I play the drums. I play the drums. I plant trees. I plant trees. I make a snowman. I make a snowman. I play sport. I play sport. I play dominoes. I play dominoes. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I read a book. I read a book. I read news online. I read news online. I read comics. I read comics. I play with friends. I play with friends. I play with my dolls. I play with my dolls. I tell jokes. I tell jokes. I watch TV. I watch TV. I take photos. I take photos. I surf the internet. I surf the internet. I take a nap. I take a nap. I watch videos online. I watch videos online. I write stories. I write stories. I sing karaoke. I sing karaoke. I sing. I sing. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I send messages to my friends. I send messages to my friends. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I play with a frisbee. I play with a frisbee. I jump in puddles. I jump in puddles. I go rafting. I go rafting. I go to an amusement park. I go to an amusement park. I do pottery. I do pottery. I do rope courses. I do rope courses. I go to the park. I go to the park. I do magic tricks. I do magic tricks. I go to the beach. I go to the beach. I finish school at 3. I finish school at 3. I get my nails done. I get my nails done. I do the gardening. I do the gardening.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe OMG English Speaking Kids for more fun. See you in next video. Goodbye.